Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to 30 Questions from STEAMspirations. I'm Mr. Lara, excited to guide you through another science adventure. Today, we've got a cool challenge about mixing stuff up and then figuring out the best way to separate them again. We're going to figure it out together. Which mixture goes best with which tool for separating it? We've got different mixers and tools, and we need to match them up smartly. Let's tackle this using our trusty chart strategy. The first step is C stands for check. Let's see what we've got. There are mixers and tools like a magnet, tweezers, a colander, and a beaker of water. Each tool has its own special job in helping us separate things. H stands for hypothesize. Now think about what's in each mixture. Which items could a magnet pull? Which ones could we pick up with tweezers? What might float or get heavier in water? A stands for apply. It's time to match. Think about what each part of the mixture does and which tool would work best with it. R stands for record. Jot down your ideas about which tool seems like the perfect match for each mixture. G stands for gauge. Take a good look at your matches. Do they make sense? And finally, E stands for evaluate. Decide which mixture and tool combo is the winner. Which one fits the best? Let's walk through an example together. Option A, mixing sugar and rice and thinking about using tweezers to separate them. Here's some questions to think about. Given how small sugar and rice are, would tweezers make this job easy or tough? Is there anything special about sugar or rice that might help us use a different tool more effectively? This should get us thinking. Are tweezers really the best choice for such small stuff like sugar and rice? Now it's your turn to put charge into action for the other choices. Option B, putting together leaves and small stones with a beaker of water. How do you think leaves and stones will act in water? Will one float and the other sink? Option C, matching paper clips and aluminum shavings with a magnet. Out of paper clips and aluminum shavings, which do you think the magnet will pick up? Option D, mixing flour and sugar and trying out a colander to separate them. Think about how small flour and sugar are. Will a colander help us separate them or not? Think about each option and figure out which tool makes the most sense to use with each mixture. Chat about your ideas with friends or write them down. This isn't just about finding answers, it's about understanding why some tools work better with certain mixtures. Now let's jump into this challenge with curiosity and with critical thinking.